Imagine pocketing an extra $4,825 each month from Amazon with just 15 minutes of your day. No fancy tech skills or a big website needed. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not about dreaming. It's about doing the smart stuff. We're diving into a simple strategy that combines the genius of AI and the goldmine of Amazon to turn spare minutes into real cash. Think of it as your shortcut to making bank without breaking a sweat. We're tapping into Amazon's vast ocean of products, fishing out the ones that are just begging to be sold. And then we're slinging them online with a bit of AI magic. No need for a warehouse full of stock, just a keen eye for what's hot. We use ChatGPT to crank out compelling articles that make these products irresistible. Every click and purchase through our links puts cash in our pockets. Simple, effective, and smart. Like setting up a lemonade stand on the internet's busiest street. Let's hustle smart, not hard. The heart of this strategy beats around identifying what the crowd craves. It's all about demand, understanding not just what people want, but what they are actively searching for. Here's where tools like SpyFu don't just come in handy. They become your digital crystal ball. Think of SpyFu as your secret decoder. It doesn't just tell you what's hot, it gives you the specifics, search volumes, competition levels, even the estimated clicks. So why does this matter? Because when you know a product like Mini Fridges pulls over 100,000 curious souls every month, you found a vein of gold in the digital marketplace. You're not guessing anymore. You're leveraging solid, actionable intelligence. But it's not just about raw search numbers. The real trick lies in decoding the competition, finding those keywords that are rich with searches but not overpopulated with content. This is where many fall short, but not you. With SpyFu, you're looking for keywords with the difficulty score that whispers, "I'm yours for the taking." Now, on to Amazon's bestsellers. This isn't just a list, it's a goldmine of validated demand. Your mission? Align the stars. Match SpyFu's insights with products bathing in the spotlight on Amazon. Why? Because these are not just products, they're what the masses are voting for with their wallets. You're not trying to sell ice to Eskimos here. You're handing out cold drinks on a scorching day. However, the real mastery in affiliate marketing isn't just in finding a hot product, it's about diversification. Why settle for one when you can capitalize on three? This isn't about spreading yourself thin, it's about hedging your bets, multiplying your opportunities. Each product is a new door to commissions, a new audience to captivate. It's about playing the field wisely, ensuring that even if one product doesn't perform as expected, you have two more players in the game. This in-depth approach isn't just about scratching the surface. It's about mining deep into the core of what makes affiliate marketing on Amazon a lucrative venue. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on the channel. Stepping into the realm of Amazon affiliate marketing with ChatGPT at your side is akin to wielding a digital pen that never runs dry. This isn't just about churning out content. It's about crafting narratives that engage, inform, and most importantly, convert. Here's how you make the AI work not just for you, but with you, ensuring every piece of content is a step closer to your financial goals. Start with precision. Crafting prompts for ChatGPT is not about being vague, it's about being as sharp as a scalpel. Your prompts should be a direct reflection of the product's soul you're trying to showcase. Think beyond the basic, write an article about mini fridges. Dive into create an engaging comparison between the top 3 mini fridges on Amazon, highlighting their energy efficiency, design, and user convenience. Value is your cornerstone. Each article must transcend the mere presentation of features. It must narrate the story of the product, why it matters, and how it fits into the lives of your readers. It's not just a mini fridge, it's the keeper of midnight snacks, the saver of space in a cramped dorm room, the energy-efficient guardian of fresh food. Incorporating affiliate links is an art. It's not about stuffing them where they barely fit. It's about weaving them into the fabric of your narrative so smoothly that clicking feels like the next natural step for the reader. The integration is subtle, respectful, and always value-driven. Headlines and introductions are your first impression. They shouldn't just capture attention, they should hold it hostage. A great headline promises value, and the introduction delivers the first installment of that promise, setting the stage for what's to come. SEO isn't a checkbox, it's a strategy. Weave keywords not just for the sake of search engines, but to truly match the search intent of your audience. It's about predicting what your reader is typing into that search bar and meeting them there with your content. Reviewing and refining AI-generated content is where you inject your essence. ChatGPT may provide the structure, but you provide the soul. It's where you ensure the content doesn't just sound human, but feels human. This review process is not just about catching typos. It's about making sure every sentence, every word, resonates with authenticity and precision. In this approach, creating content with ChatGPT for your Amazon affiliate marketing endeavors becomes more than just a task, it becomes a craft. You're not just producing articles, you're creating bridges between products and the people who need them, using AI not as a crutch, but as a tool to amplify your creativity, insight, and strategy. Monetizing AI-generated content in the realm of Amazon affiliate marketing isn't just slapping links into articles. It's an art form that blends strategic placement, audience engagement, and insightful analytics to boost affiliate commissions. Here's how to deepen the monetization strategy, ensuring every article doesn't just attract eyes, but actively converts interest into sales. First, securing your spot in the Amazon Associates program is more than just a formality. It's your ticket to tapping into one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms, offering a vast array of products to match any niche your content covers. This affiliation isn't just a partnership, it's a conduit through which your content can drive substantial revenue, provided you've chosen products that resonate with your audience interest and needs. When it comes to distributing your content, the choice between personal blogs versus platforms like Vocal and Medium hinges on your long-term goals and immediate needs. Personal blogs offer the advantage of building an asset that grows in value over time. This digital property isn't just a platform for affiliate links. It's a brandable space that can be your passive income source or a high-ticket item on the digital marketplace. However, it requires a significant investment in SEO and content strategy to draw organic traffic that converts. On the flip side, platforms like Vocal and Medium serve up your content on a silver platter to an existing audience hungry for information. While these platforms might offer less control and a cut of your potential earnings, they simplify the affiliate marketer's journey by handling the heavy lifting of traffic generation. The key here is to tailor your content to meet platform guidelines while embedding affiliate links that feel organic to the narrative. Embedding affiliate links demands a strategic approach. It's not just enough to insert links and hope for the best. Analyze your article's performance to understand where readers are most engaged and likely to click through. Tools like heat maps can unveil the hotspots in your content, guiding you to place links where they're most effective. Moreover, framing these links within helpful, informative content ensures they're seen as valuable resources rather than mere advertisements. Optimizing articles for platform and search engine visibility is crucial. This involves not only adhering to guidelines, but also using SEO best practices to make your content discoverable. Keywords, meta descriptions, and titles should all work together to make your articles visible to those searching for related topics. This visibility is the lifeline of your affiliate marketing effort, as it directly impacts traffic and, consequently, potential earnings. Consistency in content creation and publishing cannot be overstated. A regular posting schedule keeps your audience engaged and helps establish your site or profile as a reliable source of information and recommendations. This reliability builds trust, and trust is the foundation upon which affiliate sales are made. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful strategy to harness the might of Amazon and AI for a steady income stream, all with just a few minutes of your day. No warehouses, no tech hurdles, just pure smart hustle. We've navigated through picking in-demand products, crafting compelling content, and smartly placing those crucial affiliate links. Now, it's your turn to take these insights and turn your spare minutes into significant earnings. Remember, success in this game is about smart moves, not hard labor. So here's to making your financial goals not just a dream, but a daily reality. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on the channel as well.